It was a big day for the government on Tuesday when the review of the National Development Plan and the Summer Economic Statement were revealed. But two things were made perfectly clear during those announcements. The threat of the US tariffs is looming large on the upcoming budget in October, and should a decision have to be made between capital spending and day-to-day spending, capital spending is going to be protected. The Summer Economic Statement outlines spending increases of €9.4 billion for the upcoming budget, which includes €1.5 billion in tax cuts. But that is all dependent on no tariffs being imposed by the US. But no tariffs is really unlikely, and there is growing pessimism on the EU side anyway on a trade deal being reached by August 1st, when there is a threat of a 30% tariff being imposed by the US administration. And so if things don't go to plan, there will be amendments needed to the budget that will be announced later on this year. That could mean spending, tax cuts, even that floated 9% VAT rate for hospitality are all up for discussion. However, one area of spending that is more certain is capital spending, which both the Taoiseach and the Finance Minister Pascal Donohoe said would be protected. So there are things like water, electricity, the grid, all to make sure that the government can meet its housing targets. You can follow this story and updates on Budget 2026 on the Irish Independent.